Just uploaded my brand new haul, you guys. This is a haul showing you what I got from Hobby Lobby, Macy's, Sephora, and all that. So please go like it and show it to your friends. Like it, maybe you'll be able to find some good Christmas gifts, last minute Christmas gifts. I'm about to clean up this crazy haul mess here. Just hung up some cute wall art that I showed you guys in the haul. I'm so excited. I'm doing this mask right now and really wasn't gonna show you guys my face because I'm wearing the same jacket today again, but I'm doing this mask right now. This is a Teamy Detox mask with green tea blend, matcha, lemongrass, and clay. I love doing masks during the day, like while I'm doing stuff, so that I can kind of multitask. I don't like to do them at night just because I'm usually so tired by that point. My skin feels nice. I love it so much. I think I'm gonna do a oil. I'm just gonna put on some of this organic Skin Company oil. And so I put it on my face. Couple drops. My skin really needs a break from makeup. I was wearing a lot yesterday, so I just decided on a whim while I was washing this off my face, I'm gonna give one of these away to you guys. So this can be my first giveaway. I'm gonna do the Teamy Detox mask since I do a lot of beauty, skincare, and stuff like that. I'm gonna give away a mask and I'm gonna put all the details down below. If you wanna win a mask, a nice detox mask for your face, try Teamy out, then look down below for the details on the giveaway. So I'm supposed to be going to meet my, oh, and I'm drinking Teamy right now. I drink it every single day. I don't get paid to talk about this kind of stuff, you guys. I genuinely just like this stuff. It tastes good. I never thought I'd be a tea person, but they've converted me. Like, I hardly drink coffee anymore, or I've decreased it over 50%. Sarah, what'd you get? Pizza. Surprised you got onions on there. Mom always gets Hawaiian. You know what? We got the same thing. This Patrick Star pigment is so pretty. Nice to meet you. Do you guys have lashes still? The 35s? And I think I'm gonna get this lip set. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't need it. But it's on sale for 30 bucks.
This is the best stuff to put in your hair.
What is it? Living Proof Dry Volume.
Because it lifts your hair up so it looks like the curls are just like really good. It's got gold in it. The maracuja oil, is that how you say it?
Yeah. Ooh, I just ordered their new Coco Cabana body cream. I did not like this. I just returned this. Ooh, I just ordered this online. The Omega Repair Cream, I think. I was using a sample and I really liked it. This face mask is so good. It smells like pumpkin. I'll let you smell it.
Summer Fridays.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh. We just made a mess. Uh-oh.
You don't smell the pumpkin? Whoopsies. Can't take it. Oh my gosh. That's...
Thank you, honey. I'm sorry. You're good.
You took it off the floor and started smelling it. Do you want some ice cream?
Yeah.
That was so random. I just came. This is going to give me so much life. So I just got home from some shopping. I swapped out the PYREX for a new one, so hopefully nothing is broken in here. Luckily I saw the broken lid like first thing so that I could just not have to take everything out. And I also got a couple things at the mall. Got some of these 35 lashes. I think I'm gonna give these to my sister, my younger sister, for Christmas. Because she said that she really liked them when I was wearing them on Thanksgiving. So these are awesome. Lauren recommended these to me and I really love them for every day. They're super natural, but they give you enough to where people are like, give you compliments, you know what I mean? So those are really cute. And from Ulta, they're doing 20% off right now. So I heard Miss Brit Kit, she did a hair tutorial recently and she was using this hair primer and I read that it like tames flyaways, which I really need, and I don't use a protector or anything like a primer like that, so I'm gonna try this and see if it helps out flyaways and stuff, because my hair is just, I hate that. I hate it when it does that. So I also want to try some new hairstyles because I'm really bored with my hair right now, so I'm gonna try using these clips to do like half up, half down sort of things. These are kind of heavy, so I'll link whatever I got below. And also I've never used a silky type of scrunchie. Scrunchies totally bring me back. So I've never really used anything like this. I think this will be great for sleeping, great on your hair, not pulling and tugging. We randomly found this butter company called the Chattanooga Butter Company. Yes, we got the little CO right there. I ended up buying some of this honey and cinnamon butter spread. What really drew me to this is I love supporting smaller companies, smaller businesses, and also the ingredients are super clean. It says right here, whole cream grass-fed butter. I try to eat and buy as clean as I can. So this one has a really good, I know you can't really read it, but it says grass-fed butter, coconut oil, pure raw, honeycomb, cinnamon, and sea salt. So it's like really good, clean ingredients, and I love that. So I'm really a fan of that sort of thing. And this one was my favorite flavor. They had a ton of flavors, but this one I just knew I'd get the most use out of it, and it was like only 12 or 13 for this 12 ounce. And I know people were saying they wanted to see some more grocery haul stuff, so after dinner, there's this place, there's Whole Foods right next to the place we ate dinner at, so I picked up some stuff. Let's see, so I got Pink Lady apples, organic, were on sale, so I got a couple of those. I love fresh produce from Whole Foods. I'll take this stuff out and then show you what I got. I really try really hard just to get like produce, not to get too much other stuff, but I wanted to pick up some of this milk. I've literally been looking for this. I've heard that this is really good, so I'm gonna try this out. It's almond milk and it only has 4 simple ingredients, which is great. I love this curried chicken salad. It is so good at Whole Foods. That's what it is. Yeah, it's a curried chicken salad. It's really, really good. I like to have that for like a quick little snack. So I got a few things. I got some ricotta, organic zucchini. I think it's organic. I don't know if it was or not. I didn't pay attention to that. And then I also got some basil because I want to, it smells amazing by the way, but I got these ingredients because I have a lot of this sauce left from when I cooked my parents' dinner. But it's this amazing sauce that I got at Sprouts, Michael's of Brooklyn. It's really, really good. So I thought I'd make some zucchini rollatini. It's really good. I'll post a recipe down below, but I'll probably do like a smaller version because I'm not gonna make a huge batch. I might do like half a batch or something. I forgot how many zucchinis you need anyways, but I thought I'd use up some of that sauce and do that. I love these Alvarado street bagels, and these are sprouted onion poppy seed. I've never tried this flavor. This is like a healthier version just because it has fiber and protein. Like, I don't know, I just like to try to buy cleaner. Usually when I buy bread, it's usually sprouted. It's just easier on your system. So sprouted, it's organic, wheat berries, organic unbleached flour, filtered water, pure barley, fresh yeast. Yeah, so those are the ingredients. I haven't tried that one yet, so, but also this is one of my favorite brands of chocolate. It's really clean chocolate. It's Hue Kitchen, Get Back to Human, Crunchy Mint. When I was at Urban Market, somebody told me that this flavor was really good, so I decided to buy it. It was on sale like $1 off, $5.99. It's expensive chocolate, but it's really good quality chocolate. See, I got these because I have some hummus, and I know it's not necessarily healthy, but that's like the only thing I really like to eat hummus with is pita chips. It's good for a quick snack. Need something kind of quick and I'm like starving. And lastly, I bought some fresh sourdough from, I think it's a local brand. It must be, yeah, it's a local brand. 615 sourdough, or it's Goldfinch Bakers, and they have this fresh sourdough that they make. Y'all, sourdough is so hard to make, and it's actually really good. It only has a few ingredients in it. Every now and then I'll get that, and I'll usually freeze the bagels and just, you know, eat those slowly. So I don't eat stuff like this every day, but I like to have stuff like this on hand if I'm making like a sandwich or do some toast, and then I can eat some of this, put some of this butter on the toast. It'll be great. It'll be great. What you make them?
Some dope Brussels sprouts. It's got chia seeds, honey, roasted red pepper.
Do they do it like that at the Nordstrom Cafe?
I don't know.
With chia seeds? What made you think of chia seeds?
That's how they do it at Nordstrom.
Really? Mm-hmm. They put them in there?
They roast it.
Chia seeds are very good for you. Great superfood.
Really good.
Yeah, I like to put these in acai bowls. Great source of fiber. 11 grams per serving. I want to go see my Belle. We've tested out the honey butters. Delicious. I really wish I would have gotten one of these sriracha butters because it's so good. Sriracha has shallots and scallions. Delicious. Hi. Talk to me. Are you happy to see me? Oh my God. Don't fall off the bed now. I'll try not to show you how messy Sarah is. How's my baby girl? Oh, she ready to go. If you ever need snacks, just come to Sarah's room. No judgment, Sarah. I'm the same way. It's maybe not Pringles, but I mean, nothing wrong with them. We could watch, well, you guys already watched The Grinch. I just want to watch classics that everyone talks about that I haven't seen. You don't have any DVDs or anything? So this is my outfit that I just got home from. Jeans are from Free People. These shoes, boots things are from Steve Madden, but they're not new. This sweater is, this is from Express. My sister let me borrow this. It comes in a lot of different colors. I think it's on sale for $20 right now. The earrings are Altered State. This is the necklace. I'm going to get my pajamas on and make some cookies for this cookie swap that I'm going to in the morning. I just made the cookie skillets and individuals, and I'm so tired. I'm about to take my makeup off and call it a night. I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to sign up for the giveaway for the Teamy Detox Mask if you're interested. I'll be giving that away for my first giveaway for Vlogmas. Thank you guys for watching. Please enter my giveaway. I'll have all the details down below. Anyways, let me know what you want to see next. Yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you guys for watching.